Hello everyone, today we doing some Hackerrank exercises. Name weather observation 2. The main point of question is the sum of all values in LAT_n rounded and the sum of all values in long_w rounded. I'm doing this exercises in Oracle. This is the code. First we find the sum of lat_n and long_w. Result shown the 4 decimal places. And we make it 2 decimal places. That's why we use round function. And then submit code. Thank for watching video.